Ooh, hello, how are you? Ooh, I'm back. I know, it's been like what, 3 months since I have not been on YouTube, but I have been on Instagram lately, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And go ahead, go grab some snacks. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some good old time. But this makeup tutorial is going to be based off people who have dry skin like me. I have dry skin, and as you guys can see, my makeup looks like skin on skin. Skin on skin. Get your mind out the gutter. If you're interested in how I did this look, this dewy, smoky cut crease look, then go ahead and keep watching. So, yo, no. My camera is gonna die. I'm going to be using the Dewy Skin Primer by Cover FX. This stuff hydrates your skin. You're gonna go ahead and apply it all over your face. And oh my goodness, dry. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. Eyeshadow Primer Potion by Urban Decay. That's the only thing I buy from there, honestly. And I get it underneath my eye because it helps from the creasing and stuff. So go ahead and tap. Set my primer with the Laura Mercier powder. And I'm going to go ahead slightly, not too much. Trust me, it works for dry skin. Just trust me on this one. Go ahead and apply it, not too much. Can't talk. Anyway, I'm going to use this setting spray by Benefit Cosmetics, and oh, and it smells so good. I like to apply a lot, and go ahead and let it dry for a couple of minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows on camera. Oh my god. So usually I don't do that much. I use the Benefit Cosmetics Browsing Pro Palette. Yes, promo. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the dark medium, and I honestly just fill in the brow. I don't do anything else, but I just fill it in the brow. Like that. So I already did my other eye off camera just so I can save time with editing and filming and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a Morphe palette here, light orange, to match my hair. This will be our transition. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on the outer corner of my eye, right here. I'm not going to pat because I want the pigmentation. So swoop. My camera stopped working for a second because I was just too damn ugly. So go ahead and I'm sorry guys, but my camera stopped working. So anyways, I just cut the crease in with a white base concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out with a fluffy brush by Morphe. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up my beard area with this. This is by Cover FX, and then color it in 5M1. Go ahead and cover it up with the Makeupforever foundation stick and shade 325. And yes, I'm running out, so Makeupforever, hook your girl up, please. Look, it's empty. Anyway, go ahead and I like to really get into it. But pretty much I don't really contour when I go out in public. I just focus on my eyes, my lips, and my foundation. I take my time with my foundation because I don't want any harsh line, any unblending. And you guys can still see my beard just because I didn't go ham on the correcting stick because we're in public and I don't want the cakiness on my beard either. You guys can see it looks really clean. It looks like skin on skin. I didn't apply too much foundation, just a little, and we're gonna go ahead and set it. A little bit of powder, not too much, but I'll be right back, and we'll just, yeah. Okay. By Benefit, by Benefit Cosmetics. So easy. And just tap a little bit, not too much, and just. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips and fix some few things. Okay, I'm back. Focus. Focus. It's on focus because I'm not about to go back. Okay, so this is the final look. It's pretty basic. It's just brown colors with a nude dark lip. Ombre lip actually. Eyelashes are from Morphe. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great time to just chill with me during my makeup, and hopefully I did explain what I did within my face, the process of priming and the process of getting your makeup intact with your skin. And then it looks extremely dewy. My skin, it's not dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and reuse the setting spray because I haven't applied that just yet. I know you're getting tired of the same old look, but on my next video I'll do a drag look with some new wigs. Yes, I got me some new wigs. Yes, and I did bleach my hair. I didn't do it myself. I went to an actual stylist, and I mean hairstylist, and they did it, and I actually like it. Honestly, like, y'all have your opinions on Instagram, but this is what I like, and I actually look cute. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that actually does help me. It motivates me to make more videos. So if y'all want more videos, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. That's where I post everything over there. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Bye. Oh wait, hold up. And also, I'm filming this on Valentine's Day, so I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but when y'all see it, y'all gonna see it. Bye. Ooh. Oh, forgot to mention mascara, roller lashes by Benefit Cosmetics. Remember to always slay and stay fiece. Ooh. Bye.